What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are back with a Python program, and we have the task of the day here is that we have to write a Python program that allows the user to enter exactly 5 integer values, and the program then prints the sum, average or arithmetic mean, maximum and minimum values of the given integer values, right? So we have to just find out the fourth thing. We have to just find out the sum of the given integers. We have to figure out what's the average or the arithmetic mean, and then we have to figure out what's the maximum and minimum values entered. So first of all, in order to make this, let's dive into it. So the first thing first, I have to take the input from the user, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just first take the input. I've taken the first integer from the input. I don't know what it is. I could have assigned it into one. Give this power to the user, and he'll gonna decide what he wants to set the first integer. So what I'm gonna do next is that I am just assigning some variables like max, minimum, and sum. So I'm assigning this integer, the first integer value to these, right? So the next thing what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to start the for loop. I'm going to start the for loop, and what for loop is in range, and I'm going to start it with the 2 till 6, right? 2 till 6. So it will gonna run like 5 times, right? So, and then I'm going to take the input again from the user. I'm using the f string, and I'm using this. So it will gonna just tell us at which number of integer I'm gonna enter. So the next thing is I'm gonna just put this condition to check whether the given input or the given value is greater than or less than the given integer. So what I'm gonna do is, if the given n is greater than maximum or the previous value, then I'm gonna assign max to the given n, right? If the next condition is if this given n is less than the previous value, then I'm gonna assign this value to the minimum, because it will gonna just become minimum value. And else, sorry, not else, but I'm gonna just use sum, because I have to find out the sum of the all integer values. So this is the basic condition. So what is going to happen, that if at this end, let's say the first value is 2, right? The first value entered here is 2, and then again in the second value, if he has entered 3, then this n is just greater than the previous 2, and then it will assign 3 will assign to maximum. So this will gonna work in this way. Or if this n is less than the previous one, then I'm gonna assign it to minimum, right? And in the end, I'm gonna sum n to the previous sum. So what I'm gonna do here is a print maximum value is, and again minimum, and sum of all integers, all given integers. And in the end, I have to just figure out what's the average. So for the average, I'm gonna just divide the sum with 5 right there. So this is the basic structure. Like, first of all, I've just printed maximum, minimum, and then the sum, and then I've divided this sum from 5, because we have to enter the 5 integer values, and it will gonna print the average. So let's run this. So the first thing that I have to do is, like, the first integer I'm gonna give is 2, then 3, then 7, and then 8 and 6. So here we have this smallest value is 2, and the greatest value is 8. So it should print like this. Yes, the maximum value is 8, the minimum value is 2, the sum of all given integers is 26 and the average is 5.2. So this is the basic thing that you have seen like this. This is the basic structure of this given program, and this is the required output. So I hope you understand this. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.